Most businesses fail because they don't have access to the capital they need to survive. The Business Finance Suite provides you an easy way to get money for your business when you need it and at the best terms available, even if you can't get financing at your own bank. Whether you're just starting your business or you're already well established and looking for hundreds of thousands of dollars to grow, the Finance Suite provides a solution to help you get business credit, loans, and credit lines. It will help you avoid accidentally making a mistake that can cost you in both time and money. The Business Finance Suite is an online software platform that helps you through the process of establishing business credit for your business EIN that's not linked to your personal Social Security number. This is credit that doesn't require a consumer credit check or personal guarantee for approval. The Finance Suite also connects you with every legitimate business lending program that's available today through over 1,000 lenders. Having this much access to capital helps you get the most amount of money for your business at the best terms. It's estimated that 89% of business owners who apply for financing at their bank are denied because they don't understand what the bank is looking for to approve them. With your Business Finance Suite, we guide you through a lender and credit issuer validity check so you can succeed in getting money when so many other business owners fail. Your Finance Suite and business coaches help set up your business phone number, fax number, business address, website, and email address the right way, making you more lendable. We'll help you step by step to set up your entity to limit your personal liability, get your EIN number from the IRS, get your DUNS number from Dun Bradstreet, and list your phone number with 411, which helps you immediately qualify for credit and financing. Through your Finance Suite, we will also help set up and activate your business credit reports with Experian, Equifax Commercial, and Dun Bradstreet. This in turn allows you to qualify for business credit without a personal guarantee while becoming more lendable. You'll learn how to navigate and understand your commercial credit reports to build them faster. Easily fix inaccuracies on your business reports to get more credit at the best rates, and monitor your business credit reports at 90% discount from what the reporting agencies charge, saving you thousands of dollars annually that you can reinvest into growing your business. After your business passes the lender secret credibility check, next we develop a finance blueprint that maps out the loans and credit lines you can qualify for now, and simple steps you can take to qualify for even more money as you progress. You may not even know where to start to find a business lender. Don't worry. Your Finance Suite cross-checks your business information against underwriting guidelines for over 1,000 lenders and many different types of funding to determine all the money you can get right now. This helps you get the money you need to grow a winning and profitable business, while envious competitors will struggle for survival. Through your Business Finance Suite, you can access long-term loans, lines of credit, equipment and inventory financing, account receivable and purchase order financing, 401k and securities financing, SBA loans, financing from private investors, easy to qualify for revenue loans and credit lines, and many other types of business financing with interest rates as low as 1%. By accessing all financing in one place, you can get approved even when your bank won't approve you, and you'll be able to qualify for many different types of financing, helping you get the most amount of money at the best terms and when you need it. Whether that's for marketing, acquiring a new business, buying equipment, or training yourself or others to be even more profitable. After you've gotten access to loans and credit lines, we'll then help you build your business credit that's linked to your business EIN, not your personal Social Security number. Many entrepreneurs think that business credit is only available for large companies or to individuals with outstanding personal credit scores. But we help you access it regardless of cash flow, collateral, or consumer credit quality by using a field-tested and proven system that's helped over 10,000 business owners obtain corporate credit over the last few years. Your business credit is based on your business's ability to pay, not you as the business owner. So, you can get approved for high-limit corporate credit accounts with limits of $5,000 to $50,000 with no consumer credit check and no personal guarantee. Plus, we help you obtain this credit quickly, whether you can or can't qualify for business financing. If you own a business, you can get business credit, and your Finance Suite and business coaches make it easy to obtain, helping you condense years of business credit building to only months. As you quickly build your business credit, you'll be able to obtain credit with most major retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Apple, Dell, Sam's Club, Home Depot, Staples, Shell, Sears, and many, many more, all in your business name and not linked to your consumer credit or personal social security number. You'll also be able to obtain fleet credit for auto repairs, maintenance, and fuel, and get auto vehicle financing. And you can even get cash credit with Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, all without a consumer credit check and without a personal guarantee. As we help you become more lendable and you've established some business credit, we revisit your finance blueprint to get you even more money. And you have indefinite access to your own finance team who make it easy for you to continue to get the money you need when you need it for many years to come. The Business Finance Suite is the only place you can access all legitimate types of business lines and loans in one place. And it's the only solution that helps you easily and quickly access capital through credit lines, loans, and business credit, making it a simple solution for you to access the money you need when you need it. Don't become another failure statistic because you can't access the money you need to build a successful business and provide for your family. Contact us today to learn more about how to get business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal SSN and access loans and credit lines to grow your business.